Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Viewport scale showing wrong measurement using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken measurement lists on your current setup session, so your screen boxes display the correct real-world numbers again. Step 1. Open the Hidden Size List settings. The first step is to type a basic command word into your software bar to bring up the Hidden Options window that holds all your background measurement numbers. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type the words SCALESTIT, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Watch for a new settings panel filled with a long list of numbers and ratios to pop up directly in the middle of your screen view. Because you cannot fix a broken scale display without opening the Master Number Manager first, you have to open this preference box so you can see all the broken or duplicate entries that are confusing your view windows. Without this step, your software will keep showing messy numbers that do not make sense for your drawing sheet. Step 2. Wipe out the messy and broken numbers. Next, you need to use the cleanup buttons inside this settings panel to clear out any old, broken, or junk size rules that were left behind by old files. Look at the right side of the Open Options panel, find the button that says Reset, and click on it once with your main mouse button. A tiny confirmation box will pop up on your monitor. Click on the option that matches your regional system style, like metric or imperial, to complete the reset. Because when you copy shapes from outside files, they often bring along hidden background junk that messes up your standard number lists. Clicking the Reset button tells the program engine to throw away all those custom errors and go back to a clean list of numbers. It ensures your measurement choices stay completely straight and simple. Now, you need to scan down the remaining number rows to see if any stubborn duplicate measurements are still hiding inside your display list. Scroll through the central number row, click your mouse on any weird or extra size tag that you do not use, and click the Delete button on the right side of the box. Repeat this action until every single row in the list looks clean, familiar, and easy to read. Because leaving duplicate numbers in this list can cause your view windows to lock onto the wrong background calculation rules. By deleting the extra items manually, you ensure that the system only has the correct options left to choose from. It is the key step to getting the right output because it prevents your mouse tool from picking a broken rule by mistake. And that's it. To fix Viewport scale showing wrong measurement, you must first type SCALESTIT to open your Size Manager panel. Then you click the Reset button to quickly clear out the broken background numbers from your text rows. Next, you select any remaining junk rows and hit Delete to clean up the list on your screen canvas. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.